Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We go now to a part two of a prime time news special report by Dwayne Anderson, who's exploring how many of the former sugar workers in Money Musk in Clarendon, how are they trying to make ends meet?
The sugarcane industry has collapsed in Lionel Town, Clarendon, and hundreds of acres of land that were once cane fields are now mostly woodland. But the change has brought new opportunities for some residents, including these young men who have invested in cattle and are now full-time farmers.
I think money must actually have for long term, I don't lie to you. Because I want to facilitate business where we grew up come see around the thing. So right now, we are trying to set a long term thing with some goat and some cow right now.
Going into the fields daily is risky business for the farmers.
Man, them a rob man hard too, because no man not work down here, brother. So if a man say, two goats, they're going to try and take it. So you have sitting there protect you. Only thing we have our dog, our cutlass. You call police now come for now. So if you have one two dogs around, the dog maybe can run and bite even one of them, so you know, say, they can tell the police, say, look, if you see one man, you don't bite a hospital or something.
But the threat of theft does not deter them. They have since started a farmers group as a way of pooling resources.
So right now we have a group of 10 right now. Where every man have cow. Every one of them have cow. Uno have 2 or 3 night. Because I mean, not a problem if you carry them go bush for them. So if you want to go on a work, you go on a work.
Not far away from the cattle farmers, we caught up with 2 former sugar workers who were cutting weeds. It is one of the many other jobs they now do to survive. Soon it became clear a lot of persons have resorted to an environmentally dangerous job of burning coal for fuel. The residents admit cutting down trees for coal is damaging to the environment. But for now, survival is the name of the game. Member of Parliament for the area, Pernell Charles Jr., is also the minister responsible for climate change and the environment. And these coal-based jobs worry him.
We'll do everything necessary to try to support the displaced workers, to move them away from practices that produce more greenhouse gas emissions and towards the kind of practice in their community that we can say will move them into the new era.
Now, if you visit the Lionel Town area, you will also find a few acres of sugar land still under production. That's because of the operations of Clarendon Distillery. The company uses the cane fields in its operations. But for many residents, the sign of cane growing in Lionel Town is a reminder that the soil remains fertile and ready for the return of cane or any other large-scale labor-intensive agriculture project. Their Member of Parliament agreed that agriculture will be part of the solution going forward, but added that tourism is a viable option for the communities in and around Lionel Town.
In that area, you have white sand beaches, you have a beautiful coastline, which is going to see Rocky Point be a place where you have entertainment, where you can have every type of seafood. We can have festivals where people can come down and enjoy the coastline and come and see where the plane fell and, come and enjoy yourself and enjoy Jamaica.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.